Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert text or TXT file to the PDF. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you two methods that you can use as per your requirements. So let me start with the video. Okay, in first method we can use the online source. Come to your browser, okay, and type for txt to pdf. Okay, so here you can see lots of source open, so you can open any one. I just open this one, txt pdf converter. So here we need to browse or upload that txt file in this browser. So just click on this browse. Okay, select that file and open it. So this is my file and we have tags on that file. Now you can download as a pdf. So you can see this file has been converted in pdf, and this is our file. Okay, you can open it. Okay, this is our file. You can just click F2 and rename it. So this is our txt file. Let me open. Actually it's already opened, so it's gone. Okay, so now you can change name, open it, so you can pdf file. Now I'm going to show you the second method. Okay, it is very simple method and you don't need any outside link or source. Okay, what you need to do, just open that txt file, okay, and hit the Ctrl+P. Okay, now then your printer window will be open, or simply go to the file and click on print. Here we need to select Microsoft Print to PDF. Here select the portrait or landscape, select the portrait only. Okay, and here let's have change my printer. Okay, so now go to the print. Now here they ask to save your file as a PDF. You can see now you can name it like text to PDF. Now you can see this is file I have just created, text to PDF. Okay, so this is two methods you can use. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.